In this video, we'll look at the new Nova plugin for Image Factory that allows you to build GEOS images and customize base images using OpenStack. This plugin works as a drop-in replacement for the TinMan plugin. Instead of using Oz and libvirt on the local system to create images, the Nova plugin uses the resources of an OpenStack instance. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see, I'm logged into my dashboard and currently have no instances. I'll start from the beginning here and actually install Image Factory. The Nova plugin for Image Factory will be packaged in the 1.1.6 release of Image Factory. For now, you can pull from Git and make the packages, so let's do that now. We'll also need the Nova Image Builder project that this plugin depends on, so let's pull that down as well. In order to create the RPMs, I'll need the RPM build package, so let's grab that too. Okay, so now I can call make RPM within each of the projects. I'll start with Nova Image Builder. Now Image Factory. And I need to do the same for the Image Factory plugins, so let's do that too. The RPMs have been built, so I'll switch over to the RPM build directory and install everything. As you can see, I have Nova Image Builder at the bottom of this listing, Image Factory is at the top, and everything else is an Image Factory plugin. I installed all of the packages, including TinMan, but I want Image Factory to load the Nova plugin instead of TinMan, so I'm going to delete the TinMan entry in plugins.d. Before I build an image, let's take a look at the template and kickstart files I'm using for this demo. The template is pretty bare bones, nothing exciting. I'll be building a 64-bit Fedora 19 image named Test. The kickstart is pretty bare bones as well. Before I kick off an image build, let's take another look at the OpenStack dashboard. As you can see, there are no instances, and no images either. So I'll go back to my terminal and paste in the Image Factory command for this build. You can see I'm passing in the kickstart file. On the OpenStack instance I'll be using for the build, I'll need to request a floating IP address, so I'll tell Image Factory to do so. Also, to customize the image, Image Factory will need to SSH into the running instance. On this OpenStack install, instances have a default user that is not root, so I'll need to tell Image Factory what that username is. I'm going to build the image using the small instance flavor, so I specify the flavor ID. Finally, I tell Image Factory to use my Fedora 19 template. Now Image Factory is working on the first phase of building the image. This is where just enough OS is installed, what is called the GEOS image. As you can see, a new instance appears in the OpenStack dashboard. This instance is running the native Fedora install. Let's have a look at the console for this instance so we can see the install in progress. Once the installation has completed, the instance is shut down and a snapshot is made of the image before terminating the instance. Image Factory will create a new instance from this snapshot to do any further customization specified in the template and then generate the icicle for the image. Now that the instance is active, let's look at the console like we did for the installation. I didn't have any customization in my template, so Image Factory will go straight to generating the icicle document for this image. Now that the base image steps are complete, the instance in OpenStack is shut down and another snapshot is taken. This snapshot is the base image that includes any customization specified in the template. If I look at the images and snapshots listed in the OpenStack dashboard, I see the geos and base images in the snapshots section. Switching back to the terminal, I see that Image Factory reports the image build was a success.